All right, the blueberry bushes planted in the field in the year 2009. The blueberry bushes start to grow and cover the field in such a way that it covers the area covered by the bushes doubles every year. Okay. If they continue to grow in this way, the field will be entirely covered with bushes by the year 2016. When will the field be covered 25% of the way? So now on this one is this one's interesting because it doubles every year, right? So what we need to do is we need to think of this like this is an easy problem, but it's not because the setup is hard. So let's think of 2009 as year one, and then consequently 2010 year two, and I got this whole thing crooked. 2011 all the way to 2016. So I'm going to say 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2016, and 2017. Oh, wait, no, we stop at 2016. So, all right. Well, here's what I know. That this is year 3, this is year 4, this is year 5, this is year 6, this is year 7. Now, I would never, we're doing sequencing, and technically, we're doubling every year. So if I were to do this problem correctly, I would start with the first term and then double it to the next term. But we're dealing in terms of percentages. In other words, in 2016, the field will be covered 100%. Now, how do I get this? Well, whatever this value is, I'm multiplying by 2. So that means the year before that, oh, I completely skipped 2015, so we got to fix that. The year before that, that's where I screwed up. (2016). So here it's 100%. And the year before that, if I doubled it, that means that this had to be 50% of the field, right? So really, even though we're multiplying by 2, we can find the answer to this solution by starting at the end product and reversing it instead of multiplying by 2. In other words, what's 1/2 of 100? 50%. What's 1/2 of 50%? 25%. What's 1/2 of 25%? 12.5%. And then this becomes 6.75%. The reason I had to do it that way is it never tells us the initial percentage or the initial area or anything like that. This would be, and so it's just easier to kind of work backwards. So what year will it be? 2014, 25% covered. So in all of our previous problems, we kind of knew what we were starting with, right? We kind of knew this, and we knew it would be geometric if we multiplied. And because it says doubles, where did I say it? Doubles every year. Oops, why is it drawing the line crooked? Oh, because my tablet's crooked, that's why. we say that it doubles every year. Well, that means that you're multiplying by 2. Whatever it is you have, you multiply by 2. And so what we did is we knew in 2016 we had 100%, so we just divided by 2 to get the previous term. And that's basically it.